Stop blaming AI. If you're a South African teacher and your lesson plans from ChatGPT or Gemini look generic, messy or not CAPS aligned, it's not the tool, it's your prompt. Right now, most teachers are talking to AI. Very few are engineering it, and there's a difference. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use applied prompt engineering for teachers. A structured system that forces AI to align with CAPS, follow ATP week requirements, include measurable objectives, and output in the format that you want. This is not technical AI theory. This is classroom-ready prompting. I'm Dylan, aka Mr. AI, a South African teacher, founder, and AI education specialist, and I'm going to show you how to turn AI into your structured curriculum assistant. And if you stick around till the end, there's a surprise waiting for you to help you elevate your prompt engineering game. So grab a coffee and let's get into it. So when it comes to prompt engineering, a very important thing that you need to consider is if you give the AI a weak prompt, it will give you a weak output. Most teachers would type something like this: create a grade 7 lesson on algebra. That's incomplete. AI does not know which term, which ATP week, which CAPS code, which assessment standard, which cognitive level, what format you want, whether you need differentiation. So it's going to guess and start hallucinating. And guessing is equivalent to editing time. We don't want guessing, we just want structure. So here's how you can approach the prompt engineering by using this framework. And this framework fixes everything. If you go to the Ultimate Prompt Bible, you will see that every prompt follows a structured framework. And this framework is called the TCCF framework, which stands for Task, Context, Command, and Format. If you control these 4 variables, you control the output. Let me show you how to use it properly. If you use these prompts inside of CAPScribe, within the platform, go to the lesson plan generator feature. Then you go to the field that says additional notes. But before you do that, first fill in all the basic information into the fields. Then you paste the prompt into the additional notes section. Then replace the bracket fields or the placeholders with grade, subject, term, topic. Do not delete the structure. This structure forces CAPS codes, measurable objectives, assessment integration, differentiation, QA self-checking. CAPScribe will then generate a structured curriculum-aligned lesson plan, not a generic template. That's the difference. And now, this is how you use these prompts with ChatGPT or Gemini. If you are using ChatGPT or Gemini, copy the entire master prompt, then paste it in the chat window, then only edit the following: the grade, the topic, the subject, the term, and week. Do not shorten it. Teachers make this mistake all the time. They think shorter prompts are better, but it's completely the opposite. The more precision, the better the output. The prompt tells the AI that you are a CAPS-aligned FET maths specialist. That identity that you give to the AI changes everything. Now the AI thinks like a specialist. Now let me tell you why this works. AI models are probabilistic and they hallucinate as well. They predict text based on context. So when you assign a role, specify CAPS alignment, demand measurable objectives, and other variables, you constrain the prediction space. That forces the curriculum alignment into a structured output. This is professional prompt engineering, not casual chatting. Now, here's an example how to upgrade the prompt. This is an example of a weak prompt. Write a grade 5 English lesson. Now let's improve this prompt by specifying CAPS, intermediate phase, the strand is reading and viewing, term and week specified, include CAPS codes, include differentiation, assessments, a 2-column teacher and learner format, and end with QA checks. Now the AI can't be lazy, it must comply. And that's how you approach how to improve your prompts. There's something important happening right now in education. Sal Khan, founder of Khan Academy, recently said that AI is going to act as a teaching assistant for every single teacher. And he's not wrong. We are entering a time where AI isn't replacing teachers, it's reducing the admin load so teachers can focus on actual teaching. The Department of Basic Education isn't lowering the CAPS standards. If anything, accountability is increasing. More paperwork, more planning evidence, more alignment requirements, and at the same time, teachers are expected to do more with less time. That's where smart AI support becomes so powerful. Not generic AI, not random ChatGPT prompts, but structured curriculum-aligned tools built specifically for South African teachers like ourselves. That's exactly why I built CAPScribe. It's not here to replace your expertise. It's here to help you align faster, structure better, reduce repetitive admin, stay CAPS compliant, save hours every single week. You still bring the professional judgment. CAPScribe simply gives you a structured draft in seconds, aligned to your grade, subject duration, and outcomes. And right now, there's a limited promotion for South African teachers. So use the code in the description, Elite 3 months, at the checkout to get a 50% discount off the Educator Pro for 3 months. You can start free, test it properly, and describe if it works for your context. The question isn't whether AI will be used in schools. The question is, will teachers use it responsibly and practically, or be overwhelmed by it? Now let's get back into the lesson. So if you want access to the full Ultimate Prompt Bible with ready-made prompts for Foundation Phase, Intersen, Senior and FET Phase subjects, I'll leave a link in the description below. All you do is copy and paste and adapt the specific prompt according to your needs, and stop rewriting prompts from scratch. Here are final instructions that you can follow. Number 1, pick one subject to teach. Paste the master prompt and then generate the lesson plan. Then compare it to your old AI output. And then this comparison will actually show you the difference immediately. The difference between structure, clarity, whether the lesson is CAPS aligned, assessment integrated. That is leverage. If you're serious about using AI in education, you need structure. Applied prompt engineering for teachers only means you don't ask AI for help. You instruct it professionally. The Ultimate Prompt Bible gives you CAPS-aligned master prompts, subject-specific templates, built-in differentiation, assessment integration, QA safeguards, structured output control. This isn't casual chatting. It's controlled curriculum generation. So go ahead and download the Ultimate Prompt Bible. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can use it inside of CAPScribe, ChatGPT or Gemini and start generating professional CAPS compliant lesson plans in minutes, not hours. So if this video helped you, like, comment and subscribe. I'm Dylan aka Mr. AI. I'll see you in the next one.